Hey everyone, welcome back to IG Garage. Have you ever faced a P0365 error code on your car? If you're scratching your head trying to figure out what it means, don't worry. Today we'll break it all down for you. From its root cause to where to find the related sensor, I've got you covered. Stick around till the end for more tips on keeping your car running smoothly. Let's dive into it. The P0365 code stands for Camshaft Position Sensor B Circuit Malfunction, Bank 1. Essentially, this means that the Engine Control Module, ECM, is detecting a problem with the signal from the Camshaft Position Sensor B, located on Bank 1 of your engine. Now let's talk about location. The Camshaft Position Sensor B for Bank 1 is typically located near the camshaft on the passenger side of the engine. Depending on your car's make and model, you might need to remove the engine cover or other components for access. Look for a small, cylindrical sensor with an electrical connector plugged into it. Common causes of the P0365 error include a faulty camshaft position sensor, damaged wiring or poor connections to the sensor, issues with the timing chain or belt, a failing ECM. To troubleshoot, start by visually inspecting the sensor and its wiring. Look for any obvious signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. If everything looks good, testing the sensor with a multimeter might be your next step, and if it's faulty, replacing it is the way to go. That's a wrap for the P0365 code. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. And hey, if you're curious about similar error codes, check out these two videos, one on P0020, camshaft position actuator circuit, and another on P0504, brake switch correlation. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.